Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a group on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app and simply sign in. Afterwards, tap on this option of message icon on top right. Now here in the section you will be able to find all of the messages of yours, right? So all you have to do is tap on this little pencil icon on top and now tap on this option of create a group chat. Now go ahead, select the people that you would like to add in your group. Once you're done doing so, you will tap on this option of create chat. You will have to have enough people. For that, let's go ahead, search it up and simply choose them and tap on this create chat. Now you have created yourself a group and you can choose to rename it and do whatever you would like and simply go ahead, chat on it, and you can use it according to your need. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.